Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating in the DIY Mommy's Spring DIY and Decor Challenge with the host, the DIY Mommy. And she wanted us to make a beautiful spring decor piece. I decided to make a swag because I've been in love with swags like forever and I never thought I could make one. So I wanted to make a different one by making it in a bow shape. Remember to check out the playlist so you can see what everyone else came up with. What we are going to need for our project are branches, yes I know, branches from your yard, and a zip tie. We're going to tie it together in the center with using our zip tie. And also we are going to need peonies from Walmart, 97 cents as you can see, 2 of them. 2 of these flowers, let me check the name, white daisies, white daisies from Walmart also, 97 cents. And tulips from Walmart, 97 cents. I know, I love Walmart. I'm not sponsored. And we're gonna need some of this baby's breath that's left over from a project. And this garland I bought from eBay, 77 cents. Awesome deal on that one. And I have this eucalyptus from another project that I will be using. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by adding our garland to one of our branches, as I'm doing. And then wrapping it around our swag, leaving like 1 or 2 inches, I would say 2 to 3 inches, in between each lap, so we can wrap all of it around it. And now I'm adding some glue on the inside and gluing the end part. Now we're going to start adding our flowers, and I'm starting by adding the tulips because I want the tulips to the ends of our swag, or bow swag. I like that word, our bow swag. And now we're gonna continue adding our tulips without repeating the colors. As you can see, they have 3 different colors. One is a fuchsia, one is a pink, and one of them it's like a lighter pink. So we're gonna try not to put 2 of those tulips with the same color together, just like that. And now we're gonna repeat the same process on the other side. What you're gonna see over here is that we're gonna mimic everything we do on one side on the other side. That's what I always recommend to people, that if you mimic what you do in one side on the other side, your arrangement would look a lot more professional and more beautiful. And now, as you can see, we are finishing with our tulips. And we're gonna start with our peonies by adding them and mimicking. And the other side, I'm keeping, as you can see, all of the leaves of my flowers because I like the green that the leaves add to the swag on the final product of the look. Yes, the look is the better word to describe it. Now I'm adding my eucalyptus. As you can see, I'm cutting it, and you're not gonna see how I place it over here, but in the other side you will see the placement of the eucalyptus. Now you can see it like that. We're adding it to add more dimension to our shape. And keep on adding flowers until we finish all of our bouquets or our bunches of flowers. I think bouquet. I don't know how that word is said in English, but I think it's bouquet. Keep on adding your flowers to your liking. You can add whatever flower you like, and you can do it at anywhere or everywhere. This is to your liking, and the beautiful thing about flowers is you can never go wrong with flowers. Once you start gluing, you will see where you want to place the other one. I can guarantee you that. never be afraid of creating something with flowers because flowers are really forgiving. Believe me, they are really forgiving. And now I'm gonna add a daisy on the middle of my arrangement because I love how that looks. Just wait. Like that. It looks amazing. Amazing, that pink with that white. Wow, I'm so in love with it. It's like a pink and peach. They are just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. And keep on adding them. Like so. Now, as I'm working to the bottom part of my arrangement, as you can see, I got up, I was sitting, and now I'm standing because I like to add dimension to the bottom part of my flowers or my floral arrangements. So now, as I'm explaining, I'm gonna add some dimension with that eucalyptus, as you can see. That will be the bottom part of our arrangement, and that gives it a different drop to our arrangement. You will see a little bit later what I'm talking about. But this is just adding more dimension to our arrangement. And just like that, you have it. Beautiful bow swag. That's it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, it's huge. And it's the first thing you'll see when you open the door to my home. And I'm so in love with how it turned out. It just looks perfect. Look at that. It's just beautiful. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her because I never thought I could create something like that. A bow swag. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.